Hello Virgo, how are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is the June last 10 days reading for love and money. So I'll just pick up 3 cards and it will give you random messages regarding your love and money situation. Virgo, as we know, we are going through retrograde. I mean 2 planets, Venus and Mercury in retrograde besides the other 2. So go slow, go in a phased manner. Do not take any impulsive or hasty decision regarding money or love situation. So let's see what the cards have for you, Virgo. So just picking up 3 cards. The Judgment card. Judgment card about talks about you deciding on something. You are making a decision, or you would want to make a decision. Maybe it is like judgment time. You haven't taken the decision. You are in that waiting phase to take a decision. It could also mean that you want to forgive and forget something from the past. Maybe you had struggle and you were not happy, and then there was some certain disappointment, so you just want to forgive and forget and move on. The Judgment card for some of you could mean this. Also, it talks like there is a message which is coming for some of you, which will bring you a certain amount of happiness. It could also show that you want that message to go public. You want to share it with other people. So this is for some of you. So with Judgment card, I will just clarify this card. It's money or love situation. So Judgment card is basically making a decision and forgetting the past and to forgive. Okay, so here it's the Emperor card. The Emperor card talks about a money situation. You had struggles, there were ups and downs. You felt very restless. Maybe in the beginning of the June you had struggle. You were feeling low. Someone it was a struggling time for you, Virgo. So what I feel is that from that you are just trying to come. You are just going, moving away, and you are trying to make those losses that maybe you had seen financially, or things didn't work out for you. You are just moving ahead, moving forward with forgiving and forgetting your recent past ups and downs. So this is about Judgment card. Knight of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles basically is a money card. Like you are trying to take some action, or you are in that action mode. You are trying to work towards your desired situation. Like it could be a business or a money or an investment or a venture, and you are moving forward with in the later part of the June, the last part. You are moving, you're feeling powerful, you are well thought, you will execute your ideas. The Judgment card was talking maybe in the first part of June, or maybe the last 10 days. You're trying to move forward with your idea of money. Obviously it talks about moving away and looking forward. Moving away means going forward with your goals, and it's basically a money card. So it's like you could get some money. What I feel, either from the family, with this Judgment card and Emperor card, or you could get a money from a small portion. Maybe a small portion of you could get money from an investment that you had made previously, or from your family. So, and you feel powerful and you feel good in this last few days of June. Justice card. So the Justice card is again like going slow, waiting for things to just it could talk. It also talks. Justice card not only talks about a fair decision. I mean, you will get justice fairly. So what decision are you waiting for, Virgo? Let me check it out. So it talks about Seven of Cups. I mean, that maybe somebody has deceived you. Maybe you have or somebody, they have cheated you, and there was a hidden thing. There was some secrets which you were not aware. So it could be a backstabbing kind of, or so you are just now that you are aware of the facts, you know the facts. So the Justice card representing, like, your justice will be done. Maybe it's gonna take some time, but fair justice will be done. The secrets will be revealed. The backstabbers, the backstabbing that has been done to you, maybe because that's why maybe you have suffered major ups and downs previously. So you will get justice. Also, it could talk about, because this of retrograde season, it could talk about somebody from the past coming back to you. And maybe it could be a love situation, it could be a money situation. So here you feel that you are getting justice, which will make you feel calmer. At least you will know who has deceived you, what happened. Or even if it's a love situation, maybe you have been cheated or deceived. So justice will be done. So we'll take one card from the bottom of the deck, and Two of Swords. So here I feel that this illusion card with the justice waiting, you need to wait. I feel still there will be confusion regarding a certain situation. Maybe this idea that you are trying to work, or investment, or the money thing. So it's about still being indecisive and confused. And maybe there is still certain secrets, because you can see it's the moon here, and moon is like, there could be certain things which you're still not aware of the situation. Here it shows that there were illusions, and still the illusions are not totally cleared, and you are waiting for the justice. So basically take whatever resonates with your situation, because here we get you have some new idea. You have already started working, and for few of you who has been cheated, backstabbed, waiting for justice, but still the confusion state just is still not clear. So you'll just be waiting and watching. In that case, you maybe also it could show that few of you are in a love situation, trying to balance two people. You're dating two at the same time. So please take care. It's for some of you, or very few of you. For others, it could be the love situation, I mean, your past relationship coming back, and you could just feel loved, and you could make a fresh start. Also with the Judgment card coming in a love situation, someone is coming, and you will be feeling great in love, a new love coming towards you. So this is what is there, Virgo, for you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in July readings.